Pull it down, pull it down. Pull down the partner. And he's like, enjoy inside, I think. Hello, Marvin. We're waiting here. Ah, let's go. Show them the partner, please. There you go. Congratulations. Good job, Marvin. All right, can you please stand up now? Now, yeah, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No! It's okay. 9, 1.5. I'm sorry. 10. Wait, hold it. All right, stand up, man, stand up. Stay here. Your name? Ollie and Dime. It's not Jamie. Dime. All right. Show me your balloon, please. Oh, what happened? All right. And so we have Ollie here. I think they got the biggest, right? Oliver and Jeep. They got the biggest, so you're out of the game. Thank you so much. All right. And Ollie and Di, thank you so much for playing the game. And we have a winner. Congratulations. I had mentioned that in the event that the balloon pops or bursts, you will be automatically proclaimed as the winners of this game. Let's give them a big hand, please. So we have a big hand, please, for Joseph. With the second. Wow! Woo-hoo! Wow! Very sexy. Come on, take it out. Take it out. Woo-hoo! Oh, before that, we'll be requesting Joseph to put on the partner, of course, with Rochelle. But before that, let's ask our little ones, how would you like Joseph to put on the partner? Using his hands or mouth? Just the hands? How about you, Joseph? I think he wanted to use his mouth. Alright, put it on first. Alright, help yourself. Put it on. Alright. Once you're ready, alright, this time, Joseph, you have to bite the partner. Come on, bite the partner and all the way up. Come on. Every time you say higher, you go higher. When you say stop, don't listen. Come on. Let's all shout higher, Joseph! Yeah, higher, all the way up. All the way up. Ladies and gentlemen, still below the knee. Would you like Joseph to go? Let's go higher! Higher, all the way up, all the way up. Come on. Still below the knee, I can see it. Come on. All the way up, You're biting, Rochelle. You're not biting the partner. Come on. Oh, let me see. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, still below the knee. Would you like Joseph to go a little higher? Yeah, just a little higher. Come on, let's all shout higher. Come on, higher. Just a little higher. Up to her neck. Come on. There you go. Just a little higher. Alright, I think I'm good enough for now. Right? Michelle? Hey, Joseph. I said, let me know. Thank you so much for a round of applause, please, for Joseph and Michelle. Alright, please join our little ads. We'll be having a picture all together with. Alright, let's see the first piece. Let's start with the fourth then. Just like that. And it's very fast, right? That should be on your shoulder. Come on. Show us. Rochelle. And that should be on your chin. Alright, would you love another 10-second kiss? Alright, let's count for our little ones. I will take this to Joseph and Rochelle. We'll be counting 10 seconds for you. Get ready, Joseph. Come on. Alright, come on, tap your glasses once again. We'll be having another 10-second kiss. Marvin, Glenn, Joseph.
very nice wedding. Also, thank you for the family of Len for the warm welcome. Lalo na sa mga taga Silver Star na tinawag akong hanin ng bayan. Hanin pala na Silver Star. So, and also to my parents, thank you. And to everyone who attended this event, thank you very much.
Katulad yung sinabi ni Marvin, syempre gusto ko muna mag-thank you kay Lord. Kasi siya talaga yung nagbigay ng, kumbaga pinipray ko talaga na sana magkaroon ng magandang weather and sana maging maayos lahat. And syempre hindi naman perfect lahat ng wedding, pero ano naman siya, nag-end siya ng maganda. And para sa akin, perfect wedding talaga yun. And syempre sa parents ko na nagpalaki sa akin, kaya siguro nag-start ako ni Marvin. Tapos, syempre sa parents ni Marvin, thank you po sa pag-welcome niyo po sa akin sa family ninyo. Pagpakilala ko na sa akin ni Marvin, na-feel ko na po yung parang yung warm po yung pag-welcome niya sa akin. Thank you po talaga. And sa mga kapatid po namin na sobrang supportive po sa preparation namin, sa mga kaibigan ko na naka-witness yung love story namin. Siyempre, especially kay Jason and Oliver, kasi sila talaga yung nagpakilala sa amin. Sa mga lahat ng na-meet ko from simula pagkabata, yung nakasama ko. Thank you talaga kasi kung hindi ko kayo nakilala or hindi ko kayo nakasama, hindi ako magiging ganito. So, thank you. Kahit sa kung naman kalit yung na-encounter, kumbaga yung paano ba tayo nag-usap or thank you kasi kahit pa paano may contribution yun. Kaya, andito ako ngayon. Siyempre, thank you kay Honey kasi binigay niya, hindi kasi lahat naman nabibigyan ng chance na ikasal sa church. And alam ko sobrang na-appreciate yun ng parents ko na gusto ako pinakasalan ako ni Marvin sa simbahan. So, ayun po. Thank you po ulit sa mga.
Marvin, it's a bride. What's the end? There, you know, I don't want to